Welcome to AF Clothing Wardrobe. Today I'll be showing you how to weave your fabric the right way. Now this is the wrong face. Don't weave the wrong face, okay? Weave the right face instead. The right face is where you're supposed to weave, because most of you used to make this mistake of weaving the wrong face. That's why I'm making this video right now. So before any further ado, let's get straight to the video. So right now I'm weaving the right face. Don't forget, don't weave the wrong face. Just focus on the right face instead. Weave the right face. Please don't make that mistake. Most of you do make this mistake all the time. So if you're new to my channel, just subscribe to this channel and give it likes and turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I drop a new video like this. And if you have any requests, you can drop it in the comment section. So this is me weaving my fabric right here. And once again, I want to thank you, my returning subscribers, for being part of the family. I love you all. Thanks for following me this far. We're going to go far together. So I'm almost done weaving this fabric right now. So I will show you the finished product, how it's supposed to look like. So just follow with me to the end of the video. Don't skip. Just wait to the end of the video. So I'm done right here. So what next? I'm going to show you how it's going to look like. So what you have to do next is just take it to your steam iron and iron it very well. After weaving, make sure you iron it, so it's going to balance well while sewing, to have those wrinkle. I've not ironed it here already, but I'm going to iron it. Make sure you do that after weaving your fabric. Well, I want to say thanks for watching this video. If you have any video requests, just drop it in the comment section once again. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.